Hi grades, welcome back to the channel. And I know you just saw the previous video where I'm either doing money must or vacation must, where I'm just stuffing my vacation envelope for the next couple of videos. So let's jump straight into it. And the amount that I've done continuously for this is 160. So let's just check this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's 60 pounds. Then we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 100. So that's 160. Okay. Let's just get this under here. We're gonna get back into the groove of things because we don't want to lose track on the reason why we started cash budgeting, cash stuffing. So let's jump straight into it. So for those of you that travel, if you don't live inside of the United States, I'm not sure how it works for other countries, but when you leave the UK and the place where I'm going, I need a PCR test. When I come back, I need a PCR test. So I need several PCR tests where it is that I'm traveling. So let's jump straight into it. This will get next 20, so that's 40 pounds I have in here. And once I reach the goal for any one of these envelopes, I will be moving those funds that should have been going to the PCR test into next envelope. Ticket, straight into this. We'll be getting 30, so that's 20. So let's see, we have 10, 20, 40, 60, 80, 100. Wow. I think ticket is my biggest expense. So hopefully the other categories reaches their goal quickly and then I can add that money into ticket. Have you guys taken any holiday? Are you planning on a holiday? How are you saving up for that holiday? Please do let me know down inside of the comments. And because I have been MIA for 3 months, this money has been saved and put away. I just didn't feel like filming. I don't know why, but I'm starting back again and I think I'm rambling. So let me just continue. And holiday, not holiday, hotel, that's going to get 20. So that's 20, 40, 60, 80. Spending money will also get 20. So that's 20, 40, 60, 80. Gas will get 10. 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's 40 bucks, 40 pounds. Groceries will also get 10. So that's 10, 20, 30, 40. Eating out will also get 10. $10, $20, $30, $40. Entertainment will also get 10. So that's 10, 20, 30, 40. Transportation will get 10. That's 10, 20, 30, 40. And vacation, we'll get the last 20. So I have 20, 40, 60. And this is for my vacation 2022 because it's quickly approaching. And once this one is done, then I will break this money that I've already saved back down into these categories. Okay. And that's it for this second, number 2 stuffing of Money Must, Vacation Must. I hope to see you in the next one. Bye for now. Love the sound of these gloves. Bye.